Good morning everyone, it's Saturday and you guessed it, I'm off to Dad's. Thing is, I think it's raining outside. I think it's meant to all day and we have got to move the boat. Although we're not going too far yet again, but yeah. Thank you for all your lovely comments about, well, from my anxiety video. It means a lot to me and yeah, all your comments mean a lot. I wasn't expecting that kind of response, but yeah, anyway, I am going to go now because I'm running a bit late, as I had a bit of a lay-in. So yeah, see you in a bit. So we are out right now just looking to see if Campbell Park is clear. As you can see, like, there's the narrowboats up there. So yeah, Dad's just going to have a look, see if there's any spaces. Then we're going to go get coal and oil like usual. And it's raining and miserable. So I did try and persuade Dad to move it tomorrow because it might be so much nicer. But no, he wants to move it today. Good boy. Good boy.
Suitable for open fires, I'll just leave the door open. That house coal, which is smoky stuff, well,
Yeah.
that didn't seem that smoky this time. Last time I used it, I don't know where it was now.
So we've just got back and we are not going to move the boat today, are we?
No!
Good.
Too wet!
Because look at the weather.
That's you and the lady in the shop said no.
Well, it's meant to be nicer tomorrow, so. But yeah, look outside. See the rain? I ain't moving in that.
Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like it shouldn't do.
Nice bit of singing. So I'm back home now and I don't know how this weekend's vlog is going to turn out because we have literally done nothing today. Basically at Dad's we just went out and got the coal and the oil and then had some food at the boat and watched TV. So nothing too interesting to film for you, but that's because the weather was rubbish and it's been raining all day. It still is, I think. So right now we're going to go and get a Chinese like usual and then just have a chilled evening. Tomorrow we'll be moving the boat though, so yeah, you'll get that in this vlog. So yes, let's go and get a Chinese. So here is my usual Chinese, just beef fried rice, chips, prawn crackers. Tim, I can hear you chewing. Tim's got, is it beef curry?
Yeah.
Some of my rice and some chicken skewers. So can't wait to tuck in, and once the bet in, I will get some up my top. Right, so I'm going to leave it there for today. My hair is a mess just because it needs washing and my fringe is annoying me, so I just have to keep putting it back. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave it there and I will see you in the morning. Night, guys. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday today and I'm just going to make some breakfast quick. So, yeah, I'm off to Dad's boat again today, like usual. Like I always say, but I don't know what to say to switch things up. And we are actually going to move it this time. So we're only going to Campbell Park, so it's not even that far away. And right now I need to go and have my breakfast because I am running late again. It's 10:15, so yeah, let's go. So I'm now at Dad's. It is about 11:15 and it's a much nicer day, it's not raining. So let's make a move. Good boy.
deal with intimidation in politics this week when she'll
Anyway, we're just about to move the boat now, finally, what you've all probably been waiting for. But as Dad was just cleaning the outdoor mats that we use for like gripping on, like, because obviously we've had a lot of rain these past few days, so the towpath is really muddy. So yeah, Dad was just cleaning the mats and one dropped into the canal, no surprise there. So Dad's just currently trying to hook it back out, but don't see that working, to be honest. The amount of things that he's dropped in there, oh, it's no end of things. But anyway, let's go and see what he's doing. If you get that out, I will eat my hat.
Can't even feel it.
So, what did I tell you? He didn't manage to hook it out, but that was expected anyway. Dad's just, alright Bob. Dad's just currently untying the boat, and then we will be on our way. It's about, I think it's just gone past 1. I could be wrong, I don't actually know. Don't know where my phone's gone. But yeah, we'll be on our way, aren't we, Bobs? Hey, you saying no? Bob? Oh, good boy. So I was just about to use my tripod, but I just put it on and was screwing it onto my camera, and the top bit just fell off. Now I can't get it off the camera. Great. Anyway, we're on the move. Right, so just had to get the dogs in. Give them their treats. Right, Bob, Josh, sit. Just moored up at Campbell Park and we're currently waiting on Jules Fuels, which Dad usually gets diesel from them. They're just round the corner apparently, so yeah, we'll be filling up with some diesel and yes, that's about it. Jules Fuels is here now. Dogs are going mental where they were, and yeah, just literally moored up out there. So I just got to have a chop up of diesel, and then once that's done, we will be taking a walk back to our cars, which is at the other place, and going back. Probably go and see my nan later. I think Dad's going around there as well. And I'm going to tidy my room because that really needs it. So I am home now with this one. Hi! I was going to say, why are you looking at me like that for? But I think we're going to have to tidy the room a little bit because it...
You can't show me us.
Yeah, it is actually. It's like a right tip, and if I clear my room, it will clear my head, won't it? So that's what they say. I'm ashamed of letting it get like this, but we all have that chair, don't we? Of leaving stuff
I don't.
on. I do. Here's a quick preview. Quick shot of it. Oh. Okay, here we go. Let's get tidying. Because look at all this. Ah. We are off to Nan's now after that little, like, really little tidy up. So you ready, Tim? Let's go. Sam, good. Good boy. Been back from Nan's for a little while now. Well, probably more than a little while. Just been chilling this evening now. It is, what? It is like 11:30, so I best get to sleep as I've got work tomorrow. But yeah, I thought I'd do an anxiety update video maybe near the end of the month or the start of next month. Probably try and do it monthly or something, just so I can keep you guys updated and it keeps me on track as well. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave it there for today, or for this weekend's vlog. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Night, guys.